let's talk about the business now over here in Great Britain. So what products are you going to be taking to market, and where do you see that sort of differentiation of each product versus the marketplace?
Well, I think the product itself obviously is first and foremost. We will be offering the full Sinoboom range, so that includes the articulating and telescopic boom machines, the scissor lifts, vertical mast. So full range, as I say. Obviously, importantly, hand in hand with that, the customer support side of it, the after sales support. We will be, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be stocking spare parts here. We will have support again from the Netherlands on that side of the business, as we will be receiving help and all the backup that they can provide in terms of technical service, technical support. So we're quite confident that as we move forward, as I say, we need to just stay ahead of the curve and make sure that as the population grows, we know that we have to supply the right kind of backup for the products that we put into the marketplace.
And you see that marketplace as being predominantly a higher market? Is that how the products will primarily be sold and serviced into?
Yeah, absolutely. We recognise just how demanding that sector is, and if we get that right, then we'll be doing a good job. Yeah, it's predominantly rental. That's the nature of powered access.
So to all the hire companies that are watching this now, what can they expect from Pinnacle platform and the Sinoboom product? What if they choose to take a Sinoboom product? What's the what are they going to get?
Well, as I've mentioned, we like the product. Its performance, the fit and finish specifications, they are an excellent manufacturer and somebody that we're happy to be working with. But I think in our reviews that we did with current owners and operators of that equipment, the kind of words that come to mind very often are durability, reliability. Rental companies, the one thing they demand is uptime. The fact that every morning that machine starts, that in fact they don't hear too much about the machine until somebody picks up the phone and off hires. That seems to be a reputation that Sinoboom has fast built, and we're confident that we've got something that is going to do what every rental company wants, and that's stay out working and earning money.
Okay, so perhaps before we get to how people can get into contact with you, Wayne, what other elements, is there any final elements you want to talk about here, the added value that you're looking to bring to the marketplace with the Sinoboom products?
Yeah, sure. Well, firstly, I should mention that the product will be supported with a full parts and labour warranty, 2 years. And I also recognise the importance of part exchange when it comes to fleet replacement. And we do have the expertise, the resource to support that. I'm very, very happy to talk to customers about part exchange trade-ins. And lastly, we have resource arranged in terms of trade finance. So we're, again, very happy to talk to customers about their funding requirements. And we believe that we're going to be able to help and offer the necessary support to help them make those acquisitions of assets.
Fantastic. Well, let's do the final piece. And so how people that have been listening to us chat away about the new enterprise and the opportunity to acquire Sinoboom products, how can they get in contact with you, Wayne? What's the best way of that occurring?
Well, in this day and age, it has to be www.pinnacleplatforms.co.uk, and all our contact details are there. The website's, as you might imagine, it's currently under construction, but the key elements are there for you to learn a little more about products and where you can get hold of us.
Thanks very much, Wayne. Really appreciate your time there, taking us through Pinnacle Platforms, the new enterprise and distributorship for Sinoboom products. Thanks very much for your time, and the very best of luck to you and Tim.
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate it.